Hi, I'm Dr. David. This is Nurse Eileen. We're here at Magnolia Skin Center, and Nurse Eileen is going to ask me some questions today about Scarlet SRF Body Tightening technology.
So now, can the Scarlet actually minimize or fade deep stretch marks and tighten loose skin on my stomach and arms?
Yes, those stretch marks are actually connective tissue failure, where connective tissue has gone away or is not adequate, and so the skin structure is actually failing. It's giving away. So Scarlet SRF Body Tightening, we can bring back that connective tissue to minimize stretch marks, to disappear a lot of the stretch marks, to make them smaller, less noticeable, less obvious, and to tighten the skin, lift the skin, and make it look good again.
When treating these areas, is topical numbing cream sufficient?
So it depends sometimes. So different people have different levels of sensitivity. It also depends on the depths at which we're treating and the energies at which we're treating. So we customize that treatment to your situation. When we do this, sometimes it's topical numbing, sometimes it's some injectable numbing after the topical numbing. And there are techniques that we can use to make sure that you don't feel pain. The topical numbing can also make sure that the way that we put in the injectable numbing, you don't feel the injectable numbing.
Will this help with the sagging, lift the sagging skin around my knees and my upper arms and my elbows?
Yes, anywhere you've got sagging skin, we can treat. So these treatments are going to tighten, they're going to lift. It doesn't matter where the issue is, whether it's buttocks, whether it's abdomen, tummy, whether it's chest, whether it's crepey, saggy arms. It's going to work in any of those areas. And the nice thing is that it's rebuilding your own connective tissue. It's reverse aging, giving your young skin back. So you're going to be improved, and then you will just slowly age from that place again.
Will it help my stretch marks to fade permanently, or is it temporary, or will it minimize?
So a lot of that depends on the reason for the stretch marks. If the stretch marks really came because of hormonal pregnancy types of issues, then that particular set of circumstance may not come back again if you're already done with your pregnancies. So you may not really have a situation where you're going to create a lot of stretch marks again. But the good news is, even if you do create some more stretch marks later, we can always continue to treat and reverse age.
And what is my downtime after I do this? Can I go to the gym right away? Am I able to go swimming and do my regular daily exercise right after?
Great question. So, as far as activities that don't involve getting in water or sweating or things like that, there's no downtime. You can go right away to work, to a social event, anything that you might need to do. You're not going to look like there's something wrong. As far as getting into water or sweating or things like that, we do want you to take probably 5 to 7 days afterwards before you do that, because we have made a lot of tiny holes which need to heal over before you start getting into water or other situations like that.
Yeah.
Magnolia is considered.
Yes. Actually,
Are you David or
actually
Eileen?
it's well, you never know.